So as the concern is growing over the current situation in the national capital, a breaking update just coming in where the Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, we're getting to know, has been admitted to a hospital in Delhi after reporting COVID-like symptoms. He has issued a statement and has mentioned that due to high-grade fever and a sudden drop in his oxygen levels last night, he has been admitted to the Rajiv Gandhi Specialty Hospital, and he will keep everyone updated on his health bulletin. That is what is being said, where similar symptoms that could be also was seen in Delhi Chief Minister, though his COVID test came out negative. We have Shantashri with us to give us more details. So will the minister now be undergoing a COVID test, Shanta?
Yes, definitely, Amita, because the symptoms that is being shown, that is of fever and breathlessness, are the symptoms of COVID-19, and he will be undergoing a test at Rajiv Gandhi Specialty Hospital. And after that, when the test results come, accordingly, we will see that what are the what are the medications that will be given to him. This is also testing time, because he had met several ministers just a few days back. Not only Home Minister Amit Shah, but also other Delhi minister along with him were present in the meeting. So clearly, if he turns out to be positive, then it is going to be a difficult time for all the other ministers as well, and they has to be quarantined, and then we have to see whether they develop any symptoms or not. So clearly, this is going to be a very important test of Satyendra Jain, because when Arvind Kejriwal had developed similar symptoms of fever and coughing, then he had quarantined himself, isolated himself, and for the few days he did not meet anyone. Rather, he was doing video conferencing via which the meetings were taking place. So that's why many ministers and many other workers were quite safe. But Satyendra Jain himself was present in a various high-level meetings, and that's why this is definitely going to be very crucial. So yes, he was complaining of fever and breathlessness, and after that he was admitted in Rajiv Gandhi Hospital. But if we talk about the entire situation in Delhi currently, then Delhi government is definitely aiming at 10,000 tests by June 16, 15,000 by June 18, and by June 20, more than 18,000 tests to be conducted, because testing is the only key solution to see that how many COVID cases are coming, and for that definitely the beds arrangements are being made not only at railway coaches, that is at Anand Vihar, which yesterday till 7 p.m. the last train had run, and from today onwards all the preparations are in full swing. Today around in the evening, actually Anand Vihar railway station will be completely ready to receive patients. Shakur Basti railway station is definitely ready, and the trains have been diverted, and hotels and banquet halls are
so far what is being done
more than 80
across the national capital. We have Sumi and Amandeep also joining us. Shanta, stay on with us. But yesterday